Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Blender's version and where the split originates. Open your layout and hover over the border to reveal the split handle. This shows which areas were divided. Once done, right-click or use the corner widget to inspect whether the split came from a dragged edge or a duplicate area. Make sure to save a quick backup so you can revert. You'll now learn the precise clicks to merge areas without disrupting your tool configuration, and why each option behaves differently. With the double arrow cursor visible, right-click on the border and select Join. Drag toward the area you want to keep and release to confirm. This removes the split and preserves the target editor. Alternatively, position the mouse and press F to join in some versions. Make sure editor types match if you want a consistent view. Blender will merge into the active area type. Once joined, check tool panels and headers to ensure no hidden overlays remain. Repeat until the vertical split is gone. After merging, tidy up by toggling the sidebar and tool shelf to recover any missing panels. Press N or T as needed. If the layout looks corrupted, save your current file, then try load factory settings and reapply your custom layout or append objects from the saved file. Make sure to use incremental saves so you can go back if something was lost. If a split won't join, check for locked areas or overlapping editors. Unlocking or changing editor type often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.